Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the font size and style on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. There we go. In the settings, we want to scroll down and go to display and brightness. And then over here, we need to go to font. Here we can choose a different font. And for instance, in the case of OneSense, we can change the font size by moving the slider to the left or to the right in order to make it smaller or bigger. And like I said, in the case of this font, we also have the font weight. So as you can see, we can make it a little bit wider as well. In the case of Roboto and OnePlus Sans, it doesn't work. We cannot change the weight. Once you make the changes, simply press apply, and there we go. Now we have a bigger or smaller font, or even a different font. However, that's not all, because we can also go to display size, and over here we can make the screen larger, and by doing so we also increase the font size as well. So of course it doesn't apply only to the text size, but it also does that. So of course it's not, like I said, it's not only for the text size, it changes the whole display size, but it also includes the text. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.